Welcome, SNEED parents and community. We are so glad that you're here tonight to visit with your students, your campus, and your teachers. The purpose of our presentation is to share our campus vision, our STAAR performance results, and give you the opportunity to provide us with your feedback. Let's take a look at our STAAR numbers regarding reading, math, and writing. SNEED reading program has achieved 53% passing for the previous 2 years. Our math program has seen growth in student achievement, and our writing program has also made some gains. This means students are meeting standard on the STAAR tests. We are proud of our students and our staff, but we know that there is a lot more room to grow. Our new principal for the 2018-19 school year is Ms. Kristen Cregan. Our campus is a pre-K through 4th campus, and currently this year we are on a Harvey provision comprehensive waiver. We are proud of our students and our staff. The state has asked us to come up with a plan that addresses the most critical areas of need within our school. Our vision for the 2018-19 school year is only the beginning of assessing our needs and improving our campus. At SNEED, we believe that all stakeholders are capable of developing a growth mindset, being student-centered, systemic, and transformational. Therefore, we will continually analyze areas of concern, seek solutions from different perspectives, and create united decisions on systems that promote a positive culture. This year, our campus is implementing a turnaround plan required by the state. We have officially begun the plan for the 2018-2019 school year. The purpose of this plan is to gain student growth within 2 years and receive a MET standard in accountability. We want to hear more from you. If you are willing, please ask your child's teacher for the turnaround feedback questionnaire. To answer the question you see on the screen: what would a model campus provide your child? What concerns do you have about the academic growth of your child? And is there anything else you can tell us about your child that you think will help our school support his or her learning? If you have more questions, please visit our library, and you will be turning in these responses in the front office on your way out. Thank you, and have a great open house.